Hey guys, this is Joyful Steffi. I am doing a hospital haul. I guess you can call that. But I'm filming some things my sister came and brought me today. She came and visited and brought me some stuff before a Bible study. This right here is the bag she bought to put it in, and she brought me quite a bit of stuff. So I will be right back with the haul. Okay, I am back, and this is the diamond painting I am working on in the hospital. Really cute, but lots of confetti that I hate. I normally don't touch them, but I needed one to do here, so yeah. But it's so cute. I don't think that I can't stop doing it. It's too cute. But let's get started. I'm trying to talk quietly because some are in bed asleep. This is some stuff she bought me, because she brought me stuff you'll see as I go along. But she bought this stuff, got me some crayons. She said, I got Dollar General stuff. I go, I don't care. Ah, crap. I just dropped the pencil. But she got me erasers. Got me some crayons. She said, I got Dollar General stuff. I go, I don't care. Ah, crap. I just dropped the pencil. But she got me erasers. Nice. She knows, she's like, I know those aren't the art ones you use, but I don't care. But she got me some of those colored pencils and crayons. And the pencils were to sketch with, and she said I bought them because they said they were sharpened. As you can see, they aren't sharpened. Sorry, I'm having to hold a camera in my hand because here at the hospital I don't have my stuff I used to film with. So, but I got that, and you'll see why I got that stuff. Okay. She got me this Amazing Grace coloring book. Only $3, y'all. You need to go. And it's by Wow, you can tear the pages. That is awesome. Advanced coloring. Hard to do with one hand, and filming. But really nice. Let me just do it this way. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Very nice pictures. Whoa. That's cool. You could frame some of these if you think you color good enough. Cool ones. That's that one. She got me a word search. Only $1, y'all. Only $1. And I was about to order on Amazon one for $7 on sale because it was in a hardcover. A Bible word search in a hardback. That was crazy. And it's by Bend, also there's apps you can download as well. But it's pretty. Oh, it has the answers in the back. I don't cheat, so. Death of Moses. Cool. I love word searches. And this, landscapes, cool. Oh wow. Nice. Oh wow, that one. I don't know if I'll attempt that one. Ooh, I like the hot air balloons. Just different scenery. Yeah. Craziness. Where was that? Sorry. Poppy. And I've not tried this ever. This is strawberry. Only 3 grams of sugar for that little one. Just letting you read all of it. I've never heard of this either. And they're all low sugar or sugar free. This is 5 calories per can. It has antioxidants, sparkling water, 0 sugar. And it's a 12 fluid ounce. I love these. Green tea, mixed berry. I normally buy, I've not tried the mixed berry because I normally buy the peach because I love peach. But I know I like the mixed berry. My sister's a mixed berry girl. All berry stuff. Strawberry lemonade, this will be good. This is V8 plus. No sugar added. Good stuff. And I've heard of this, I've not drank one. Oop. Cherry, of course. They got the cutest cans. It's 0 sugar added. The bubbly again. And I have, strawberry sunset. Oh, that's neat. And a strawberry kiwi pineapple flavor. Awesome. Zero sugar, wild cherry, and cream. Oh my gosh. I've not tried this one at all. Never even knew they had it. Wild cherry and cream. Have you all tried this? The can is really awesome. I love that. Awesome. Of course, she gave me one of these, a 0 sugar Pepsi. I normally do Coke, but the 0 sugar Pepsi is not bad. So, I don't even know if I'll drink all these. Well, when I get tired of water. So. But I know the bubbly, the only way I could drink it if I added extra stevia to it, or extra sweetener of some kind, because they were bitter to me. But when I added the stevia, it made it a lot better. Because they're kind of like more of a seltzer, I think, personally. I don't know. But I have a lemon lime poppy over there too that rolled away. Yeah, put them in there, right? Lay them down. But, oh goodness. She got me quite a bit of stuff. Everything on the bed that I don't sleep in. But my doctor told me to try sleeping in it tonight because I have worked really hard today. Yes, y'all. If you, I put community post updates on some of my accomplishments and stuff while in the physical rehab, physical therapy, and today I did 2,100 steps on that exercise machine in 18 minutes. And then, like, the first time I did the machine, I did 626 to 30, I can't remember, in 6 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. Yeah. So that was a big jump, but my OT therapy, she really pushes me. And since I did that good, my physical therapist didn't work me on that. He worked on my balance, and I need balance help. So please pray for that. If you want pinpointed prayers, I need prayer for the balance. So, sorry for my voice. It's from screaming in pain at the hospital. And just getting tired. And plus my sister came and we talked forever, and so my voice is a little bit low. It's low anyway, but it's lower when it gets hoarse. So, but I thank you all. I hope you guys watch this. I know I haven't done too much. I did a quick live one day, but I just don't look presentable. But I'm getting there. Yeah. But thanks for watching this. I pray you watch it and like and share. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's not normally like this, and the video's normally not everywhere, so I'm just in physical rehab center, so I thought, I would at least share something to put some content out. I did a new song the other day. I have other new songs I've done I haven't done videos on. I could work on those. But this is the hospital hall. And I will see you all later. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.